People wonder how to find the area, circumference, diameter, or radius of a circle or circular object. Take the bottom of a paper towel or a frisbee, or off bits of pie. No, not pie. Pi, 3.14159 and 265,359. A letter in the Greek alphabet. You have absolutely no clue what pi is, but that's good, because we will teach you. Pi is a very important number that you need when finding the area of a circle.
Do you know what radius, diameter, or circumference is? Because that's also a very big part of finding the area and measurements of a circle. You don't? Well, who cares? I'll teach you. The circumference is the distance around a circle. The diameter is the line going horizontally across a circle. The diameter is approximately 3 times the size of the circumference. The radius is a line from the center of the circle outwards. The radius is approximately half of the diameter. And pi, mathforum.org, says that pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle and its diameter. The number that is pi is 3.14159265,359. In shorter form, pi is 3.14. Did you know that there is a relationship between the circumference, radius, and area? Well, there is. In order to get the area of a circle, you will need the radius of the circle and pi. But if you don't already have the radius, you will either need the circumference or the diameter, because the circumference is divided by 6, and that is approximately the radius, and the diameter is divided by 2, is approximately the radius.
Formula for area is pi r squared. In order to get this, you will need to take the circumference and divide it by 6, or take the diameter and divide it by 2, and you will get the radius. Then take the radius and multiply it by itself. Now take your new measurement and multiply it by pi. That is the area of a circle. For example, I will now teach you how to find the area of a frisbee. When you're trying to find the area of a circle or a circular object, you will need to find the radius or the diameter first, or even the circumference. First, we will find the diameter. The diameter is 24. Finding these measurements, you can use any tool of measurements like a ruler, measuring tape, or meter stick. Now, since the diameter is 24, to find the radius with the diameter, you will divide it by 2, and that equals 12. So the radius is 12. Now, to find the circumference, to get the circumference, you will either use the diameter or the radius. Right now, we will use the diameter, and that will be 24 times 3.14, and that equals 75.36. Now we've found the circumference, the diameter, and the radius. But now we have to find the area. To find the area, you need to take the radius and times it by itself, and then times it by 3.14. We'll do radius times radius. And that equals 12 times 12 equals 144. Now that we have the answer, we will times 144 by 3.14, aka pi. And that equals 462.16 centimeters squared. And that is our answer, how to find the area for a frisbee.
The relationship between the circumference, the radius, and the area is of any circle is that you need the circumference to find the radius. what you would do is you take the circumference and divide it by 6, and that would give you the radius, whatever your radius may be. Now the radius and the area are especially connected because the formula for area is r to the power of 2 multiplied by pi, which is 3.14. Also, letter in the Greek alphabet. So, that is how they're all connected. They all act as one with each other. So, for example, let's say our circumference is 36 centimeters, and we're trying to find the radius. So we would divide it by 6, because the circumference is 6 times the size of the radius, and that would equal 6. So the radius, we would take our 6 centimeters and multiply it by 6 because you multiply it by itself, and that would equal 36, in this case our circumference, but that's not what we're looking for. So 36 centimeters multiplied by pi, which is 3.14, would equal 113 centimeters. 113 squared. And that's how they're all connected. 113.4 centimeters squared. That is not a B, it is a 13. Get it right, Ben!